Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started. Thank you again all for joining us today for the truth about the 990 and why it's so important to nonprofits. Real quick, just a reminder, if you have any topics that you would like us to discuss, please send them to our support team and we will work on this for you. We also welcome any feedback that you may have. Please let us know what you like and dislike so that we can continue to improve. We are committed to helping you stay compliant and sharing valuable information to make your filing quick and easy. My name is Melissa and I am the team lead of Tax 990. Just a few reminders before we begin that this presentation will be recorded and available on our site tax990.com after the webinar. If you have questions during the presentation, please add them to the chat and we will address them at the end of the webinar. Please note that we are not tax advisors or the IRS. We cannot give you specific tax advice and we are not able to advise on your specific organization status. If you do have specific questions, please reach out to our support team at support@tax990.com. So today we're going to look at why the 990 is required, some key information on the 990 form, and consequences of non-compliance. The 990 forms are an IRS annual requirement for tax-exempt organizations, and the form you file would depend on your gross receipts for the year. Unless you are a private foundation, in which you will have to file the 990 PF. For more information on what form you're required to file, please visit our website, tax990.com, and click on our supported forms. Now let's talk about why you should file the 990 for just a moment. The biggest reason is that it is a required form by the IRS to maintain your tax-exempt status. But more than just a requirement, it can be a valuable tool for your organization. It offers transparency and accountability to both the public and your donors. We often hear the phrase, every dollar spent, and your Form 990 is where you can back up that claim by demonstrating your financial status. The Form 990 shouldn't be seen as a daunting task. Instead, it should be viewed as one of the most valuable tools your organization will use. Not only is your Form 990 used to secure the funding you will need, but it also showcases the roles and impact of your employees and volunteers, which is very important to the public. And additionally, it can highlight your strengths and weaknesses in governance and management. Operational efficiency is crucial in successfully reaching your mission. While the entire form is very important, there are key parts that stand out. Your organization's mission and program accomplishments are crucial. Don't overlook these sections. Be proud of the good your organization does by showcasing all of your achievements, even the smallest details. How your organization is governed and managed is also vital. Financial are, of course, crucial as well. This means that any compensation, expenses, assets, all transactions must be documented accurately. And don't forget to include any public support or foreign activities. If you fail to file your form on time and provide accurate information, you could face fines or penalties from the IRS. If this happens, you will need to file either Form 1023 or 1024 with the IRS. Additionally, you could lose donor funds, experience a loss of public trust, and risk being revoked with your tax-exempt status. Now let's think about the 990 as a storybook about your organization, detailing all the good you are doing for your community. It will help you to build public trust through transparency, accountability. Being open and sharing information about your organization is the best way to earn trust with your donors. Your organization's impact is vital to its growth and demonstrates how you are reaching your goals. If you are a donor, don't you want to know how the money you donate is being spent? Showing how your donors' funds are being used will help to attract other potential donors. Regular views of your Form 990 will help you understand your organization's strengths and weaknesses. So let's talk about, let me emphasize that while all sections prove different but equally important, here are some key parts that stand out. Part 1 is the summary or overview of your organization. Part 3 is your program service accomplishments. Part 4 is how your organization is run. Part 7 ensures the leaders are compensated reasonably. Part 9 details your expenses. And Part 10, the dreaded balance sheet. It represents a picture of your assets, liabilities, and fund balances. So that was a lot of information that you would need to prepare for the May 15th deadline. Remember that it is critical that you take action now to ensure your compliance and avoid potential penalties to protect your vital tax-exempt status. Tax 990 is dedicated to helping you stay compliant so you can continue doing good. And here are some key features exclusive to Tax 990. We have a built-in audit check that runs with the IRS guidelines to help reduce rejections, a copy data option that allows certain information to be carried over, even if you don't file with Tax 990. Included in our fees is you can retransmit your return at no cost and file up to 3 amendments at no cost. We also provide the option for reviewers and approvers, which is very helpful and will save you time in your filing. Please check out our website, tax990.com, to view all of our fantastic features. With the May 15th deadline fast approaching, it is critical that your nonprofit takes action now to ensure full compliance and avoid penalties. Tax 990 can be used as a vital tool for compliance, transparency, and building trust with your donors. We thank you for joining us today about the truth about 990, and we hope you understand that this form is far more than just a requirement. It is a tool for compliance, transparency, building trust, and strengthening your fundraising efforts. We encourage you to utilize the resources we have discussed and reach out to us with any further questions as you prepare your Form 990. You can visit our website, tax990.com, to sign up for your free account and let us show you how easy filing your 990 forms can be. We offer the entire suite of 990 forms with the extension 8868 if you need additional time to file. And for our California residents, we also offer the California 199. We've put a lot of work into providing you with the best resources. Our knowledge base, you can get quick answers to common questions related to your form, the filing requirements, and the filing process. You can also check out our YouTube channel and blog for helpful step-by-step guides and instructions. But as always, our support team is here to help you. You can visit us at support@tax990.com or reach us via phone at 704-839-2321. Okay, so let's take a few moments and review of some of the questions in our chat. Okay, so our first question comes from Tara, and she wants to know, I did not file the 2022 form, but I did file for 2023, and the 2023 was accepted. Do I just move forward with my 2024, or do I need to go back and file for 2022? Okay, Tara, you can absolutely go ahead and file for 2024. And if you wish to file the 2022 form, we do support that form. Just visit us at tax990.com and you will be able to file the 2022 as well. Our next question is from John, who asks, do I have to file if all my financial information is zero? My gross receipts are zero, so I have nothing to report. I should be okay, right? No, John, per IRS guidelines, most tax-exempt organizations are required to file the 990 annually. The type of 990 will depend on your gross receipts. So if you are filing less than 50,000, the 990N or e-Postcard is available. You'll need to reference your determination letter in order to find out which 990 forms that you are required to file. And let's hear from Andrew, who says, I filed my 990 long form already, but now realize I left out a value in the revenue section. Is there a time frame for me to file an amendment? So there is not a specific deadline for filing an amended Form 990, but it is best to file as soon as possible to ensure accuracy and compliance. This question is from Jessica. I need to file my form for 2022. Can I file an extension? So Jessica, you can only file an extension for the current year. Once the deadline to file that form has passed, you will no longer be able to file an extension. Mark would like to know, can I file an amendment if I didn't file my 990 with you? So if you did not file the 990 with us, you can absolutely go to our site, tax990.com, and still file the amended form. You will need to indicate that it is an amended form in the header section when you begin filing. Okay, so that is all the time that we have for today. If you have any other specific questions or need assistance with getting an account started, please visit our website or reach out to our support team at support@tax990.com, or you can call us at 704-839-2321. Thank you.